Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you on a culinary journey where the art of cooking meets modern technology. Imagine an oven that goes beyond simple cooking to become the maestro of your kitchen, ready to reveal the most delicious flavors with every bite. Welcome to the world of the Moulinex Optimo OX484810, a convection oven that will transform your culinary experience. Click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The Moulinex Optimo is ideal for those looking for a versatile and elegant oven, offering a generous capacity of 39 liters and a varied range of cooking modes. Whether you are a casual cooking enthusiast or a gastronomy lover, this oven combines ease of use, modern design, and durability, making it the perfect companion for all aspiring chefs. Imagine coming home after a busy day, with excitement in the air as you open the door to your kitchen. Your senses are immediately drawn to the elegant and compact design of the Moulinex Optimo, with stainless steel finishes that give it a modern and sophisticated look. It is not just an oven, it is a centerpiece that adds a touch of elegance to your culinary space. Now let's dive into the fascinating features of this technological gem, a 39-liter oven powered by 2000 watts, ready to delight your taste buds with its 6 cooking modes. Whether you are a fan of convection, grilling, baking, steaming, defrosting, or even conventional cooking, the Moulinex Optimo is your versatile kitchen partner. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. But that's not all. Imagine setting the temperature of your oven precisely from 100 to 240 degrees using an intelligent temperature regulator. And the timer goes up to 120 minutes, allowing you to precisely schedule when your culinary creations are ready to be enjoyed. Consider the practicality of this oven. It comes with well-thought-out accessories, such as a reversible stainless steel rack offering 8 different cooking levels, and a non-stick tray for a hassle-free cooking experience. Imagine cooking multiple dishes simultaneously thanks to the generous capacity of 39 liters, making this oven your daily ally for quick and delicious meals. You can own the Moulinex Optimo with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied reviews. But the Moulinex Optimo is not just a kitchen tool, it is a modern work of art. Its vintage-inspired design, highlighted by a smoked glass, adds a touch of distinction to your kitchen. Imagine cooking with an oven that adds a touch of elegance to every dish you prepare. And now, let's talk about durability. This is not just an oven, it's a 15-year commitment. Designed to be repaired, with quick access to low-cost parts for 15 years and more, it is supported by 6,200 certified repairers worldwide. It is an investment in sustainability and reliability. And the best part is that the Moulinex Optimo is available at the best price by clicking on the link in the description. You will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you form your opinion. Let's now recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages of the Moulinex Advantage. Number 1. For cooking versatility. With 6 different modes, including convection, grilling, and defrosting, the Moulinex Optimo offers a variety of options to satisfy all culinary tastes. Advantage number 2. Modern and elegant design. Its vintage-inspired aesthetic, combined with stainless steel finishes, adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Advantage number 3. Ease of use. The simple mechanical functions with 3 buttons allow for easy adjustment of the temperature up to 240 degrees and the timer up to 120 minutes. Advantage number 4. Large capacity. With a capacity of 39 liters, this oven allows for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously, ideal for families or cooking enthusiasts. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Considerable weight. Weighing 11 kg, the Moulinex Optimo may be less suitable for those who need to frequently move their appliance. Disadvantage number 2. Compact design. This may limit the size of dishes. Although the compact design is advantageous for space, it may limit the size of the dishes you can cook simultaneously. In summary, the Moulinex Optimo is not just a simple, it is the architect of your culinary experiences, the ideal partner for creating delicious and memorable meals. So, let yourself be enchanted by the magic of cooking with the Moulinex Optimo, where technology meets tradition for an unforgettable culinary experience. Click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by very satisfied customers, and order yours now. Thank you for your attention, and let the cooking begin.